What's up guys, this is going to be my DIY tie-dye socks part 2. This is especially for those of you who in my first video of tie-dye socks asked for me to show every single color that I do. So here it goes. Here I'm just setting my table. I decided to do it outside this time. So I'm just putting a plastic cover on top of the table that I decided, and then I'm trying to tape it down, and I don't know, for some reason the tape wasn't sticking to the table this time. So I just put some stuff like in the corners so that it would hold the plastic bag down. Okay, so here are the 3 pairs of my socks, and as you know, you do have to, well, I don't think you have to, but I like to wet whatever it is that I'm doing, and in this case it's the socks. I like to wet them and then just drain the water out just so that it grabs onto the color better. So I'm just doing that to all the 3 pairs, and again, these are brand new white pair of socks. And I got the pack from Walmart. Here I'm just choosing my colors, and then the powder was already in the bottles. They usually do come in the bottles when you buy them, so I didn't do any type of like taking powder out this time. I just wanted the colors to be very vibrant, so I used all the powder that was in the bottles, and I just filled them up with water. And then you have to make sure that you shake them. You definitely don't want to forget to do that. Make sure you shake the bottles a lot, and then check the bottom of the bottles to make sure that there's no more of the color powder on the bottom. And then you can test it out. You'll see me testing it out on a napkin just to make sure that the color is good to go. And again, you need the rubber bands to hold the socks in place, and some gloves if you don't want to stain your hands. Everything came with my tie-dye kit, which was purchased at Walmart. I believe it was $14.97. So here I'm just testing it out, and we're good to go. Here I'm just kind of cleaning away any color that might have fell off when I was shaking. Okay, so here I just grabbed my first pair of socks, and I'm just scrunching it in from the bottom towards the top, and I use one of my hands to hold it in place, and I grab a rubber band with the other hand and just tie it up so that it stays crunched together in one piece. And I do them separately just so that each one absorbs a good amount of color. And here I am doing the same thing to that one. And you're gonna do this obviously to every single sock, and then you'll just do one color for each pair. Here I decided to go with the orange first. So you just basically throw it in wherever you want. I didn't really care about being there like a lot of white being shown, but you definitely do want some white to peek through. It's tie-dye, so you want it to be mixed with the white of the sock. So don't just pour it all in, just kind of do it like here and there. And then make sure you open up like on the inside of the crunchiness of your sock, just to get the inside of the sock. And do that to all pairs that you decide to do. Just make sure you put them in a Ziploc bag afterwards, as you see me doing here. And obviously you want to put them in separate, each color in separate Ziploc bag. You don't want to mix the colors. here they are all set in their own Ziploc bag, and you're just going to want to let them sit in there for 7 to 8 hours. Here I am going to rinse the coloring out. I guess you can throw it in the washer if you don't want to do this part, but I like to do this. I like to drain most of the color out myself by hand, as you see me here doing. So make sure you remove the rubber bands and then drain the water until the water starts coming out clear. And then here I am putting it in the washer. I just do a quick wash, no softener, just detergent and very little. And I do them separately the first time so that if any coloring is left in the sock, it doesn't transfer onto the others. So I'm going to do this for each pair. And here they are, all done being washed. Now I'm just gonna go and hang them. Oh, my bad. So this is the last one. And there you go. Now they're all done. So here I'm just gonna hang them dry in my hanging clothes rack. And here they are, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it was helpful for those of you who asked for all colors to be shown. And yeah, hope you guys have fun. Enjoy your tie-dye socks. And just for reference, I like to pair mine with my white Air Force ones because obviously white goes with all colors. So that's what you'll see here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.